On December 28, at the China Digital Car Competition Finals and Digital Driving China Awards ceremony, the Trumpchi S9 won the All-Condition Assisted Driving Applicability Criterion award given by the Competition Organizing Committee. In this test, the Huawei Qiankun Intelligent Driving ADS-4 system, standard on the Trumpchi S9, remained continuously online. It proactively controlled its speed on sharp curves in Western Sichuan and accurately centered itself on the long plains of the Gobi Desert. On rural roads with limited visibility, the system proactively detected oncoming vehicles and wild animals crossing the road, providing warnings and smoothly slowing down to avoid them. In the city, it easily handled lane changes, unprotected left turns, and roundabout maneuvers. Even when constantly navigating long, straight roads and complex road networks, and facing the continuous challenges of various environments such as low temperature, low pressure, and high humidity, the Huawei Qiankun Intelligent Driving System in the Xiangwang S9 continues to provide accurate detection and road condition prediction, seamless support, and timely protection. The Trumpchi S9 is positioned as a mid to large size SUV. The new vehicle comes standard with Huawei Qiankun ADS-4 and is equipped with 29 intelligent sensors, including a 192-line LiDAR, 11 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars, 2 rear 4D angle millimeter wave radars, 1 front 4D millimeter wave radar, 1 OMS camera, and 1 DMS camera. It can perform functions such as highway/city navigation, assisted driving, parking lot transitions, ETC passage at highway toll booths, and VPD parking valet function. Meanwhile, the vehicle is also equipped with the newly developed CAS 4.0 multi-dimensional collision avoidance system, featuring brand new high-precision solid-state LiDAR, in-cabin laser vision sensors, and distributed millimeter wave radar. This system will significantly improve the vehicle's detection capabilities and continuously enhance active safety capabilities by enabling functions such as adaptive AEB, Intelligent Tire Blowout Stability Control Assist, Driver Disability Assistance, and Enhanced Surveillance Mode. In terms of appearance, it boasts a stable and sophisticated overall design with a seamless headlight cluster that provides excellent recognizability. As for color options, the new car offers 6 monochrome paint choices: Dawn Gold, Starry Blue, Ghost Silver, Blade White, Classic Black, and Night, plus a 2-tone color option, Starry Blue/Ghost Silver. In terms of dimensions, it measures 5060/1950/1760 mm in length, width, and height, and is offered in 5- and 6-seater configurations with a 2,930 mm wheelbase. Inside, continuing the brand's minimalist design language, it offers a 15.6-inch floating central control screen, a 12.3-inch LCD instrument panel, and a 27-inch WHUD head-up display. 3 color options are available: smoke beige, sunset orange, and night black. The cabin is equipped with Harmony Space 5 supporting 5G networks, a 4-zone voice recognition wake-up system, an in-vehicle biological monitoring system, an app store, remote control via mobile app, and Huawei high-car connectivity. In terms of configuration, it comes standard with 9 airbags, heated/ventilated/massaging front seats, multi-layer soundproof glass at the front and rear, tinted rear side windows, a 27-inch HUD head-up display, heated/ventilated second-row seats, a 21-speaker sound system, multicolor active ambient lighting, and independent rear climate control vents. Higher trim levels will also include a 17.3-inch rear infotainment screen, zero-gravity front passenger seat, rear small tables, and massage functions for the second-row seats. In terms of power, it is equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 1.5T engine and dual electric motors. The engine has a maximum power of 118 kilowatts. The total power of the front and rear electric motors is 250 kilowatts. The total power of the system is 368 kilowatts. The total torque is 613 Nm. The 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time is 6.6 seconds. The top speed is 190 km per hour. And the WLTC fuel consumption when the battery is fully discharged is 6.98 liters. In terms of range, the new car is equipped with a 44.5 kilowatt-hours CATL Xiaoyao hybrid battery across the entire model range. The pure electric range of the CLTC is 252 kilometers. and the combined range is 1,200 kilometers. Furthermore, the new car supports 3C charging with a peak charging power of 133 kilowatts, and can be charged from 30% to 80% in just 14 minutes.